speed up your workflow in any application, it is a good idea to utilize keyboard shortcuts. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto File and Options. And over here in the shortcuts area, you can see what shortcuts there are for different purposes. For example, over here you can see for Select Tool, it's V. For Hand Tool, it's H, and so forth. So if I were to go around over here, C was for Slice Tool, so now you can easily change it to Slice Tool. Hand Tool, you can easily go around and move it out right here. So let's just go around Hand Tool. It's easily over here, as you can see. So instead of going around and choosing the tools over here, what you can simply do is utilize the keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. What you can also do is you can go around and change out the keyboard shortcuts as you like. For example, there's lock option right here, and there's no keyboard shortcuts right here. You can simply go around, type in your keyboard shortcuts right here, just like this, hold everything on your keyboard, and you can assign certain shortcut key to it right here, just like this, and press OK to apply it out right here. Similarly, you can go around and change out, let's say, existing keyboard shortcuts as well. For example, there's remove effects right here. So instead of Control Alt X, you can type in Control Alt Shift and X right here, just like this. But as you change everything, it might become difficult to know which shortcut keys are which, and you can restore them out to default as well. And to do that, you need to go around and click on this arrow right here, just like this icon right here, to restore it out to default. But if you want to restore out everything to default, then you can restore the shortcuts to default right here. If you want to go around and no shortcut key for certain actions, then you can go around onto Sets in Shortcuts and type in the action as well, and only the action with the particular name pops up just like this, as you can see, like fit to frame and fit to frame with. So all the actions with the word frame in it pops up just like this. So that is how you can utilize keyboard shortcuts and then change around the keyboard shortcuts inside of HitFilm and modify them. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe